Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Swivel vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount, so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology, will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. Silicone spatula set. Premium 100% food-grade silicone. The silicone spatula set is made of healthy and friendly material, resistant to high temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. No more melting, cracking, and worrying. One piece for easy to clean. With the unique seamless one-piece design, there is no crevices for food to stuck in. The handle will never enter the water. It is very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Best balance of flexible and sturdy. Too stiff or too soft. Nobody wants that. So we experimented over and over again to try to find the best balance of hardness and flexibility. Here it is. They are sturdy enough to bear pressure and soft enough to reach side of bowl. Safe for non-stick cookware. Our silicone rubber spatulas are gentle on cookware, leaving them unmarked. They're great for non-stick pans. You don't have to worry about scratching your loving and new pots and pans. Smart food warming tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm, whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings, perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Silicone oven mitt set. Durable, heat-resistant silicone. The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to safely shield hands from the heat while cooking and handling hot pans and dishes. Waterproof, slip-resistant. These silicone mitts are water-resistant for additional protection from hot spills and spots with a textured, ribbed stripe design for a safe and secure grip. Set of 2 includes two generously sized oven mitts that each measures 7 wide x 13 long for a comfortable fit. Additional protection comfort. The 100% cotton cuff provides additional protection from the heat with polyester lining that offers comfort and insulation. Easy care. These KitchenAid oven mitts can be easily cleaned. Simply rinse off with water and wipe them clean. Stainless steel utility tongs. Stainless steel construction. These tongs feature a high-quality 430 stainless steel frame. Lock tongs when not in use. Featuring a convenient locking mechanism provides the versatility to securely store the tongs in a drawer or in a crock. When the lock is not engaged, these tong arms should spring open freely at a 30-degree range. Convenient size. These tongs measure 11.57 inches. Dishwasher safe. These tongs are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Warranty. These tongs come with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited warranty. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5-quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3-quart covered saucepans, 7-quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Sponge holder. Keep your sink organized and tidy with the sponge holder for kitchen sink. Made with durable, rust-resistant material, this holder provides the perfect spot to store your sponges, scrubbers, and dish brushes. Its open design allows fast drainage and quick drying, preventing bacteria buildup and bad odors. Compact yet spacious, it easily attaches to your sink or countertop, saving space and reducing clutter. A practical and stylish kitchen accessory that makes dishwashing more hygienic and convenient. Sourdough starter warmer. Smart timer precision temperature control. Designed specifically for sourdough fermentation, this warmer features a built-in 12-hour smart timer for automatic on-off operation, preventing overfermentation. It maintains stable yeast and lactic acid bacteria activity, ensuring evenly distributed air pockets in your bread. Even heating for faster dough proofing. Equipped with an aerospace-grade aluminum heating layer, it transfers heat efficiently to the base of dough containers, achieving faster fermentation than room temperature conditions. Edge-to-edge temperature consistency works flawlessly with glass jars, ceramic jars, and other proofing vessels, ensuring uniform fermentation across diverse container types. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions: approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches, LXWXH. Kitchen cutting board. Ultra durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops. Food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with U.S. regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time, and boards will not break down. Silicone baking sheet pan dividers. Reimagine the way you cook with the silicone baking sheet pan dividers, the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. These non-stick, reusable bakeware trays let you cook multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors. Perfect for meal prep, air fryer, or oven cooking, each divider features sturdy, heat-proof handles for easy lifting and safe handling. Made from premium food-grade silicone, they're durable, flexible, and a breeze to clean. No more scrubbing stuck-on messes. Whether you're roasting veggies, baking chicken, or reheating leftovers, these pan dividers make cooking smarter, faster, and cleaner. Simplify mealtime with this must-have reusable baking set.